기후 작가입니다. 오늘도 레시피 리뷰를 하러 밖으로 나왔는데요. 오늘은 속초 관람차를 좀 찍고 싶어가지고, 저번에 밤에 관람차를 찍은 거를 리뷰한 적이 있는데 낮에 한번 날씨 좋을 때 한번 와야겠다 싶었는데 오늘 또 날씨가 좋아서 한번 찍으러 왔습니다. 근데 카페에서 바라보는 관람차를 찍을 거라서 오늘은 카페에서 레시피도 리뷰할 겸 사진을 한번 찍어보도록 하겠습니다.
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say what's in your drink.
No cabs to be had out there.
Oh, I wish I knew how.
Your eyes are like starlight.
To break the spell.
I'll take your hand, your hair like swell.
How to say no, no.
Mind if I'm moving closer?
I'm gonna say that I
What's
tried.
the sense in hurting my
'Cause I
pride?
really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold out.
When it's so cold outside. I simply must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The answer is no.
Oh, baby, it's cold outside.
As welcome has been.
How lucky that you dropped in.
So nice and warm.
Look out the window at the
My
storm.
sister will be suspicious.
Gosh, your lips look delicious.
My brother will be there at the door.
Waves upon a tropical
My
shore.
maid and half mine is vicious.
Your lips are delicious.
Well, maybe just a half the more.
Never such a blizzard before.
Oh, I got to go home.
Baby, you'll freeze out there.
Oh, say here, lend me your coat.
It's up to your knees out there.
You've really been grand.
I thrill when you touch my hand.
But don't you see?
How can you do this to me?
There's bound to be told tomorrow.
Think of my lifelong
At least there
sorrow.
will be plenty implied.
Honeymoon, you and I.
really can't stay.
Get over that holdout.
When it's so cold outside.
Baby, it's much too early in the game. How about I thought I'd ask you just the same? What are you doing New Year's Eve?
Who's gonna be the one to hold you tight when it's exactly 12 o'clock that night? We're coming in the